we have been asked over here that what is true for displacement. So let me tell you that for the case of displacement, what is true? First of all, that the first statement says displacement cannot be zero. It cannot be zero. So let me tell you that displacement can be zero. This is a wrong statement. This statement is incorrect because displacement can be zero. Displacement can be zero. It can be positive also. And displacement can also be negative. Now, moving on to B statement, it says that its magnitude is much greater than distance. Okay, so what it says that the displacement is greater than, you are talking about the magnitude is greater than distance. So this statement is also not correct. This is also incorrect because displacement can be greater than, can be less than, or equal to the distance. This is only possible. The reason for this is that because if you are moving from point A, suppose this is a point A to point B, the distance can be any direction. It can be shown by any way. Okay, this can be displacement. But if you are talking about distance, so it can be distance, sorry. But if you are talking about the displacement, so displacement can be from A to B and it will be a straight line. So this is our displacement because it is a straight line. Whereas this curve is showing distance over here. Right. Now we will move on to C part. The C part says displacement is the shortest distance. So it is the shortest distance. This is correct because as you can see from here that this is a shortest distance from between initial and final position. So our initial is A and the final is B over here. So this is the shortest distance. So this statement is correct. Now moving on to D part, it says that it is a vector quantity. So displacement is a vector quantity. It is correct because what are vector quantities? So vector quantities are those quantities which have magnitude and direction. So this displacement has both magnitude and direction. So it is a vector quantity. This statement is also correct. So correct statements are C and D. These both are the correct statements for the case of displacement.